Have you grabbed the Power Erase Gel, my Crunchified Clean friends? If not, grab it with my link. You're going to really be impressed the way I was. Do you know that it can even spot clean stains off of fabric? I have to try that. But look at this moldy, dirty dish rack that's not been used in over a year. Cleaned it right off. It smells amazing. The ingredients are mainly soap and perfume and a few other ingredients. So you don't need to use gloves when using it, which is even nicer because it's very eco-friendly. And as per the SDS, it does not contain any endocrine disrupting ingredients either. So that is a huge plus. If you don't know what an SDS is, let me know and I'm going to make a video on that, because if you're a professional cleaner, you should have SDSs on hand, or at least know what they are. And this is a great product. And it comes with a scrub mommy. So all you need is a little bit of the gel to get something nice and crunchified clean. So it's well worth the investment. So grab it. Look at my link down below and let me know what you think. Thanks for checking out my channel. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Feel free to share. Make sure your YouTube notifications are on so you see when I upload more cleaning videos, tips, and tricks. Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. Bye.